So what's up everybody? So this is me, Cherry, and this is my friend, Mary Grace. Yay! Haras po yay!
The moment she left.
So karon di ako sa sawag, naghihigda ko. So what's up? Hello guys to my family, to my friends out there.
Oh yes.
So karon di ako sa tiles, naghigda ko dako katapad nga tiil. Pak puti nga tiil murag harina napukoy katapad nga mga labunan. So don't mind them. So guys, karon di ako sa tiles. Bugnaw kay isang uhat pero karon naka-sunglasses ang person. So mo to. So karon di ami karon sa room. Makita ninyo gubot ang room pero may paki. No. Chill lang tayo guys, chill. Grabe ko it. Luspad. So guys, sige ko guys, kumusta mo? To my friends out there, to my family, I miss you all. Yeah! Yay! Pak na pak ang mga first time vlogger. From the Philippines, Get ready, it's a rumble. Oh, pak. I'm not crazy. You're crazy. Yes.
You're crazy too.
No, I'm not crazy. Ooh, so you admit you're crazy. Okay, I'm crazy now.
What?
Just kidding, guys. So, karon wala pa may parihapon. So, yeah. Grabe yung spotted kayong tingin nga na sa muhan, Pak, puti kayong kuko. Wow. Di pa rin isang apple, marag ba? Run. So, that's all for today, guys. Grabe, today. So, everybody. Yuck! So, bye, guys.